What's up, everybody? This is Justin Myrax, also known as F Major, here with Native Instruments in my home studio in Orange County, California. Today, I want to talk about Maschine, which is pretty much the next level of beat production on a professional level. Maschine is a hardware and software-based solution. It gives you the ability to create slice points within Maschine. You actually can preview them directly from Maschine without even applying them. So it gives you a lot of flexibility and you get direct feel of the samples before you even apply anything. Maschine also gives you this new destructive audio editing, so you don't have to bounce between programs in order to do things like truncate, reverse, copy and paste samples. You can do it all from Maschine directly from the hardware controller. Most of the functions in Maschine can be automated. So I can automate the parameters such as tuning and volume control and a lot of other features and functions. Another thing I really like about Maschine are the pads. Unlike a lot of controllers I've used before, the pads on Maschine are really responsive, and I can play drums on Maschine without using a lot of force, or I can play notes and chords on Maschine. Maschine 1.5 now offers vintage sampling playback mode, which emulates the sounds of, say, the SP1200 and the MPC 60. The arranging in Maschine is done using the scenes and patterns. So once I get a collection of patterns that work together, I arrange them in a group of scenes, and I can pretty much linearly sequence them so that, I get a full song going. Since Maschine is software and hardware, it's constantly able to evolve, and the 1.5 update now offers a ton of new features and new sounds and instruments, over a gigabyte of new sounds and instruments. And when my song is complete, I can basically drag and drop the audio and MIDI directly into my DAW. The other option I get is to do a batch export where it actually exports all the individual sounds, individual tracks, and the MIDI so that I can use them in my DAW. So I have pretty much full flexibility in my workflow here. I'm not restricted, and I don't have to buy a whole bunch of other stuff just to work with Maschine.